Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a 9x12 pocket page to tell a story just about motherhood using my Cocoa Daisy, what is it called? Big Sky collection from Cocoa Daisy. Now, I did some of the pre-planning so that this would go a little bit smoother, and I've already printed my photos, and my journaling is on the clear sticker paper, so we're just going to really assemble this together as a quick layout using this kit. And by all means, for me, as I trim this and let's talk, for me, you know, I live in South Florida. I am palm trees and poolside and everything. So using a Western kind of theme from Cocoa Daisy is a little bit harder, but like I told you in my unboxing video, that we are going to figure out how to make it work still, because that's half the fun of playing with different products. If I was always just going to buy what I like, that would kind of be boring. But you want to see people be challenged once in a while so that you don't become less intimidated, you know, or you become less intimidated about reaching outside your comfort zone so that you can still enjoy products you receive, especially if you have a subscription to this Cocoa Daisy subscription kit. So I have my 9x12. See, I was auditioning out everything. So the 9x12 pocket page, right? I have the configuration that has some of the 4x6 and 3x4s. And I feel like I was trying to see, either way would work. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to see what page order am I in. I think I'm in this side. So I did one page and it'll flip. Okay. I'm just trying to get it ordered so that at least in my 9x12 book, it will lay perfectly in there. So we have a 4x6 and then 3x4, 3x4 here. So these are all the 3x4s and the 4x6 once again. So I definitely love the denim card itself. That is a no-brainer for me. I knew I was going to use that one. And I love this sentiment as well, to stay close to people who make you feel like they're sunshine. So that's going in the pocket. Actually, well, let's leave that out one first because I want probably to embellish it. Then I have the journaling card that has a little bit of border. And where did I just put my journaling that you just saw me trim? Where's it to go? Oh, here. And remember, I always use the MACO clear sticker paper. So I already just did a text box on my application. And when I do my journaling too, I like to have more than one project going, so that way I don't waste the sheet. So I just definitely had that one in mind. And we're going to leave that one out for a moment so that I can add an embellishment there as well. Then we're taking this card. I'm not using it for the pattern. We're going to put another photo on top, and it's going to be the border because I still liked the color and wanted to include the color once again in my layout, because I believe the introduction of the color is what makes it work. So see how that worked out really good. So do consider that too when you're looking at your cards, that this, for instance, may not be something I would be drawn to in a project just yet. Maybe this side. So I still have the possibility to use it on the back side. But to consider them also as photo mats. So that way you can still utilize your collection of things that come. And then for this side, I'm going to fill this whole area that's 6x8 with a large photo. And my journaling is simply just about motherhood. I think I was going through my camera roll and found this cute photo that my sister took on one of her trips here. That's one of my favorites. And I think I've scrapped it, but not, linked any story with it. So that's why I printed it again. And then this one was just so cute. This one's not a current one at all either, but it's just a selfie of me, Valentina, and my puppy Maui. And, I think I just found a quote, and then I just wrote, I will always want to take pictures for you. Motherhood, read it. Motherhood, it's amazing, and then it's really hard, and then it's incredible, and then it's everything else in between. So hold on to the good, breathe out the bad, and welcome the wildest, most wonderful ride of your life. Yes. yes. And so this is going to be, I guess, outside the page protector, because let's consider it. If I put it in the page protector, I will have to cut it. I mean, it could work to cut it right under my chin, but I don't want to do that. So we're going to have it adhered right on top. So this part is outside the page protector. which is totally fine with me. Oh, it's another little longer. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Let me cut off a little bit more from the top. Just a smidge. And then we'll decorate some of it with the other embellishments to make it oh so cute. Okay, that's better. Maybe I should trim it a little bit on the side too. Oh, done. Sorry, I thought I printed it perfectly, and I didn't. It needs a smidge more off. Just a smidge. Okay. And I hope, you know, I did promise to have a variety of layouts this year for my channel, because I did get the extra 9x12, 9x12, yeah. 9x12, what was it? The album earlier this month, in the year. Oh, see, and then if I did that, then I cover up my little Maui. Or maybe it has to be outside the page protector, because I don't want to cover them up too much. Or, let's see, if I flip this and flip this. Oh, but the whole point was I was going to label the photo. Nope. Okay. See, that choice got made quickly. So I'll still have this. And let's see if I can find something outdoors, big and blue. Let's see. Mindset. No. Oh, a little denim pocket. That works too, to pull in the denim. See, but once again, I think that one will be outside the page protector because it'll be in that blank zone. Let's see. And don't be afraid of, gosh, this is really snug on this, to keep things outside the page protector, because that way I can have it a little bit on the seam, and that doesn't bother me at all either. And that'll be cute. And that way I don't have to really put a date, because it's not date specific. It's just about being a mom. And so then this one too, since we are decorating it outside of the page protector, man, these page protectors are snug. What in the world? Okay. Man, oh man, yeah, they are tight. Am I the only one that has experienced it? Look at that ripple. So this is not a true 3-inch pocket. Oh my God, I can't even get this out. Oh, and I bent it. Okay, well that's some fooiness. What's going on there? Okay, let's get a little smidgen off here. Smidgen off on this side. Am I going to have to do a smidgen on all of them? Is it just these light page protectors? I got it from Allie Edwards, you would think. Okay, it just needed a little smidge. But, oh my God, they got stuck. Not cool, page protector, not cool. Okay, I was struggling there to get them in. I don't know if it was just this page protector that's a little bit of a 3-inch shy, but these cards definitely did not fit into there, and it was frustrating. Okay, so we're going to start embellishing everything that I want to put on this layout. So I'm starting off with the washi tape that kind of has that bandana print. I always call it bandana print, like that kind of that paisley print, and it's on like a mustard colored background, which worked out perfectly. Then these wood veneers were also my favorite in the kit. So there was like a cowboy boot, this ampersand, and then it was a cacti, I believe. And so the ampersand made it perfect to think of my title, which is just going to be You and Me. and I have it on the actual photo itself, since this one is sitting outside of the page protector. It's just the pocket that's, I guess, the photo that's 6x8, just so you understand, and then everything else is in the page protectors. I do some of the embellishing on the outside of the page protector because I just like that tactile feel for it. You know, some of the stickers that you see on the top of that journaling card, and then I do a little cluster above the like mustard journaling card as well. But I definitely take the time to make sure that Forever You and Me, oh no, You and Me Forever is lined up quite nicely, because like I said, this is outside of the page protector, and I don't mind that sometimes. Like I said, I did it this way because I didn't want to cut my photo down the middle to have it fit in both pockets. It's just something to think about. You know, you don't always have to have it in the page protector in case you are, you know, gaining some inspiration from this, in case you have a photo that you don't want to cut. Definitely just print it large and put it on the outside, and it's quite all right. The next page will be just fine having it there in this regard. So then I am getting, like I said, another embellishment cluster right above it. Really, the denim pieces spoke to me. I love the denim card. I love the denim die cuts. And these are actually already stickers, so that makes it also very easy. And then these enamel dots in the bronze, gold, and silver really add a little sparkle around the page. And it definitely came out very sweet and very simple, which is fine by me. It helps me stay current, and I get these stories told into my album, which is the best part of all of this. So yeah, fairly simple, but I hope you give it a try. Okay, that will wrap up this layout. So there we are with our journaling, some of the enamel dots, some decorations on the outside, and definitely a photo on the outside of the page protector. So cute, denim inspired, love, love, love. And it'll be going into this album right after this. Yep, I have one layout. So yeah, I did it perfectly so that it would be the next page. I remembered. All right, there you are, folks. And even though I have to do probably some full page thing on the back of this one, but for using the kit, this is adorable. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe, and I will leave the Modern Memory Keeping Kit from Coco Daisy linked down below for your shopping pleasure. Talk to you later. Bye.